So today we discuss the MCQ for mechanical engineering. The subject is manufacturing engineering. This MCQ is taken from the RKGN. First one is 200 number. Strength and permeability of a solid sand are related to option number D is moisture content. 201 a casting process is preferred for parts having option number B is many details. 202 in order to facilitate the withdrawal of pattern option number D is draft is provided on pattern. 203 list shrinkage allowance is provided in the case of option following option number A is brass. 204 the draft allowance on the pattern is provided in order to option number C is remove the pattern easily from the molding. Next is 205 the taper provided on a pattern for its easy and clean withdrawal from the mold is called draft allowance. Next is 206 the draft allowance on a metallic pattern in comparison to wooden one is less. 207 big advantage of using synthetic sand in a foundry shop is that option number B its properties can be controlled easily. Next one is 208 which of the following material has more shrinkage allowance? Its option number C is lead. 209 which of the following provides an added projection on a pattern and forms a seat to support and locate the core in the mold? Its option number B is core print. Next is 210 the mold is housed in a flask. Next is 211 loose piece patterns are used when the pattern cannot be drawn from the mold. 212 cores are used to make the desired recess in castings. 213 trowel is option number B a long flat metal plate fitted with an offset handle. Next is shrinkage allowance is made by its option number D addition to external dimensions and subtracting from internal dimension. Next is wood for pattern is considered dry when moisture content is less than 15%. Next is 216 which of the following is not a casting process? Its option number B is extrusion. The purpose of a GAT is to option number A is feed the casting at a rate consistent with the rate of solidification. Next is pick up the correct statement. Sweep patterns eliminate the need for three-dimensional patterns. Next is lifter is used to scoop sand deep in the mold. Next is the impurities in a through centrifugal casting. Option number C is get collected at the inner surface. 221 which of the following type of sand is used to keep the green sand from sticking to the pattern? It's a departing sand. Facing sand used in a foundry work comprises of its option number B is silica and clay. 223 loam sand comprises of 50% clay and 80% moisture. 224 dilatometer is used to find out the following property of a molding sand. It's a hot strand. Option number C. 225 the purpose of a sprue is to its option number D feed molten metal from pouring basin to GAT. Next is 226 accuracy of a cell molding is of the order of option number B 0.003 to 0.005 mm per mm. Next is 227 the mold for casting ferrous materials in the continuous casting process is made of option number D is copper. Sand slinger gives its option number E none of the above. 229. The trowel in a foundry shop is used to, it's option number E, flatten and smoothen the sand during molding operation. 230. When using a disposable pattern, the metal should be poured, it's option number B, is rather rapidly. 231. If V is the volume of the metal in a casting and E its surface area, then time of solidification will be proportional to its option number D, V square and 1 upon A square. Next is 232. The purpose of a pouring basin is to, its option number B, is act as a reservoir for molten metal. 233. Match plate pattern is used in a machine molding. Next is for steel casting, the following type of sand is better. Its option number B is coarser grain. 235. As the size of a casting increases, it is often better is to use increasingly coarse grain. 236. The purpose of a riser is to, its option number C, help feed the casting until all solidification takes place. Next is 237. Sleek is, its option number C, used to make or repair corners in a mold. 238. Freezing ratio or relative freezing time according to Keynes equation is option number A, AC by VC divided by AR by VR. 239. Hot tear refers to, it's a casting defect. 240. Sleek in a foundry shop is used to, option number A is make and repair corners in a mold. Next is 241. True centrifugal casting, option number B, is used to cast symmetrical object. In a permanent mold casting method, molten metal is fed into the cavity in a metallic mold by gravity. Next is 213. Investment casting used for shapes which are very complex and intricate and can't be cast by any other method. Option number C. 244. The material of a pattern in the case of investment casting is, its option number D, is wax. Pipes subjected to very heavy pressures of the order of 100 kg per centimeter square are made by, its option number D, extrusion process as seamless pipes. 246. Water pipes of a large length and diameters are made by semi-centrifugal casting. 247. Which of the following processes would produce strongest component? It's option number E, forging. 248. The runners and ingots respectively are located as follows in a casting of ferrous metals. It's option number A, in cope and in drag. Next is 249. Which of the following processes refers to the preparation of objects from pressed powders? It's option number E, none of the above. 250. The longitudinal joint of a drums of 150 mm thick sheets are made by, its option number C, is electroslag welding. 251. Antioch process is a process of making porous molds. In centrifugal casting, cores are made of none of the above. Okay, in centrifugal casting, I think it's no core is used. Semi-centrifugal casting is used to ensure purity and density at extremities of casting. Option number E. 254. For grey cast iron, the pattern shrinkage allowance is of the order of, it's C, 7 to 10.5 millimeter per meter. 255. Surface to be machined or marked on the pattern by the following color. It's a red color. Color scheme is employed on a pattern in order to identify the none of the above. Blue color on the pattern is marked for, It's option number E, never used in pattern making operation. 258. For grey cast iron, the volumetric shrinkage is of the order of 1.9% to negative value. 259. The pouring temperature of a grey cast iron is, it's around option number C is 1400 degrees centigrade. Next is 260. Chilled surfaces are marked on the pattern by option number D, oblique red strips on yellow. Next is 261. Centrifugal method of a casting is used to, option number C, obtain high density and pure casting. Next is 262. A large intricate heavy casting veining in tons to be cast. The most appropriate molding process would be, its option number B is peat molding. 263. The patterns in the case of a machine molding are mounted on, option number A is match plates. 264. In die casting process, metal is forced into mold under the high pressure. 265. The hot chamber die casting method is used to cast, option number D, alloys of lead, tin and zinc. 266. In hot chamber method of a die casting, only low melting point metals can be cast. 267. In general, the draft on castings is of the order of 10 to 15 mm per meter. 268. Blind risers, it's option number C, supply the hottest metal when pouring is completed. Next is 269. The allowances is to be provided in a disposal patterns are, it's option number E, A and B above. That means A, shrinkage and finish, and B is distortion. 270. Honeycombing sponges refers to, its option number C, formation of a number of cavities in a close proximity in casting. 271. In Cartier's process, option number C, cavity is filled with a pre-calculated quantity of a metal and a core of plunger is inserted to force the metal into cavity. 272. The sand is packed on peat molds with sand slingers. 273. Sprue in a casting refers to vertical passage. 274. Pick up the incorrect statement about advantages of the disposable patterns. It's option number D, incorrect statement. Patterns can be handled easily and process is adaptable to mechanical molding equipment. Next is 275. In cold chamber method of a die casting, option number B is high melting point metals can be cast. 276. Which of the following casting method utilizes wax pattern? Its option number D is investment casting. In sluice casting process, metal is poured into the die cavity and after a predetermined time the mold is inverted to permit a part of metal still in a molten state to flow out of cavity. Next is 278. In sluice casting, option number D is when a solid cell of a sufficient thickness has formed, remaining liquid is poured out. 279. Pick up incorrect statement about advantages of a vacuum die casting. Incorrect statement. Option number D is less metal is used. Next is 280. Ornaments are cast by pressed casting. 281. Ornamental objects, statues, toys, etc. are cast by sluice casting. Next is steel and cast iron pipes are cast by true centrifugal casting. Next is in hot chamber method of die casting. Option number is the melting pot is a material with a die casting machine. 284. Scapes or buckles are the casting defects. which occur due to some sand shearing from the core. It's option number A. Next is 285. In centrifugal casting, the impurities are collected in the center of casting. The core. Next is the core in centrifugal casting is made of. It's option number E. No core is used. Large and heavy castings are made by. Option number A is green sand molding. Next is graphite molds are used for continuous casting process in order to provide self-lubricating qualities. Next is 289. Ferrous alloys are usually cast by none of the above. The tolerances produced by the investment casting process are of the order of option number B plus or minus 0.05 mm. In cold chamber method of a die casting, it's option number B. The melting pot is separate from die casting machine. 292. A sweep pattern is used for molding parts having uniform symmetrical shape. It's option number C. It's rotated around 360 degree sweep pattern. 293. A centrifugal process is used for producing castings of irregular shape. Next is 294. Drawing in a foundry practice refers to the formation of oxides on the molten metal surface. It's option number D. Next is 295. During the freezing of a pure metal, the possible casting structure is A. Columnar structure. Option number A. When an alloy solidifies over a short range of a temperature, the resulting casting structure will be. Its option number C is wholly columnar. Next is 297. When an alloy solidifies over a wide range of temperature, the resulting casting structure is. Its option number D. Dendritic. It's a dendritic. 298. Flogging in a foundry practice refers to removal of a spruce and riser. It's option number B. Next is the internal cracks in a casting can be easily found out by the following method of a testing. It's ultrasonic testing. Internal cracks. 300. The surface and subsurface cracks in a non-magnetic alloys can be easily located and detected by the following inspection method. It's option number D. Dye penetrate testing. So today we cover the 100 MCQ. Of the 100 MCQ of the casting process.